Spider-Man, Sin Camino a Casa. Muy pronto, solo en cines.
Spider-Man No Way Home film is upcoming superhero film amni Marvel Studio gi officially confirmed tograba the film amni luga film is Spider-Man Homecoming amni Spider-Man Far From Home gi sequel ni amadi MCU ki Marvel Cinematic Universe ki Phase 4 chaliba the film amni amadi film is the starring cast on your leading role or Tom Holland, Zendaya, Harry Holland, amadi Alfred Molina, Jacob Batalon, Jamie Foxx, Marisa Tomei, menacing sini amadi film asida so koi Doctor Strange, Benedict Cumberbatch na kumba Doctor Strange, Mark so yawgani hari amadi film asi mainly multiverse amadi crossover daga related oiba wari da focus taw hai madanga the best taw hai aduga Doctor Strange ki mating lasuni apai multiverse oithokpa ngami se film sida aduga wari amadi akoi whole action kenose lagi sequence ponam yamna epic oiba mong da akoi Marvel Studios amadi Sony Pictures na Columbia Pictures na plop hadi paisa yam thadaraga yamna keno tona fazana adumaina aim taw akoi adumaina keno taw film khani film as da akoi Spider-Man amadagi hena yawgani haibagi akoi rumors lairibani akoi Spider-Man ahumak Tobey Maguire ki Spider-Man, Andrew Garfield ki Spider-Man, amdi Tom Holland ki Spider-Man ahumak yawgani haibagi wari rumors lairibani adu yawba yawgi chances su wangi kaino di multiverse puthokpa yaribani na kai moi di yawpa yaridano cause moi gi oiba hadi Andrew Garfield da yariba Electro moi su yawdini Dr. Octopus moi lakdini aduna villains la di hero di compulsory dum yawdi there aduna they are also appearing madi film sigi villains chizu dum yamna ui ko ki hero yami matik villains yam adu matak ki Sinister Six chizu yawba yai habagi kana rumors lai bane adugo hoi yawpa yabagi chance so dum wangle adugo heroes film sigi main villain oidu ji Green Goblin and Dr. Octopus amadi Electro moina chingba si yawe hai aduga handamukti Electro blue color or na magi actor masamag Jamie Foxx na confirm oigra haidi higre madadi atopa color or apayana comic ta yawa khi yellow color gi si or tira tamangam de amadi Venom su yaw pay haibagi kano su lei rumors lei amadi Daredevil su khoi film as de introduced of ya having rumors su lei amadi film as one of the most outstanding amadi epic superhero movies in manungda amani film sigi release date na khoi confirm or release date na 16 December 2021. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you again next.